What if gravity stopped working for an hour? Imagine this. Gravity suddenly stops working for 1 hour. What happens to our planet? To us? Let's explore the unbelievable consequences. When gravity disappears, everything that isn't anchored to the ground, including you and I, starts floating. The Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and everything on it will begin to rise into space. Without gravity, there's nothing to keep us tethered. Buildings, cars, trees, even the roads themselves will lift off the surface and people will drift into the sky. But don't panic just yet. It'll only be for an hour. Cut to water rising and floating. Oceans and lakes would also start to float away. The water would follow the same path as the land, turning into a chaotic floating mess. Imagine the huge waves and torrents of water rising into the air before it begins to fall again when gravity returns. And what about space? Satellites and the International Space Station, ISS, would lose their orbits and drift off into space without gravity to keep them in place. Inside your house, things will go wild. Objects, liquids, and even people will float around. The laws of physics will become completely unpredictable for an hour. You could even be suspended mid-air in the middle of your kitchen. But then, after 60 minutes, gravity snaps back into place. Everything that was floating crashes back down to Earth. Buildings, cars, and water all come hurtling down in an unpredictable freefall, which would cause massive destruction. Luckily, gravity doesn't disappear for long, but for that brief moment, it would be complete chaos. People and objects would be thrown around, and Earth would experience total instability. So next time you think about gravity, remember this. Without it, we'd float into space. Our planet would be in chaos, and the world as we know it would fall apart for a brief but terrifying moment. Would you survive if gravity stopped? Hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing what-if scenarios.